Okay. So first of all, like you are added to the WhatsApp group, everyone, and you have all updates. Like today, 7 o'clock, we supposed to start the demo, and we started at 10 minutes before only. And thank you all for joining this demo session. Myself, Jayant Kumar, and I am having 11 years of experience in ETL testing. Okay, just a second, guys, go on mute, please. Okay, so I have 11 years of experience in ETL testing only. So I worked for IBM, I worked for Deloitte, I worked for UST Global, I worked for Dell Technologies. Currently, I'm working with one of MNC, big MNC. Approximately 110,000 employees are there in that. So it's a banking domain project. What I'm working in here. Approximately 10 to 12 projects I have worked in overall in this 11 years of experience, and based on that only I just prepared the project wise, the course wise, and all these things. And I have attended more than 150 of interview in my lifelong. So based on that only I drafted this all courses. Which will be helpful for you to crack the interview. Okay, so if you learn this my complete syllabus, you will be able to crack any interview for ETL testing. Okay, so this is what about me. And currently I'm in Bangalore. I stay in Bangalore. I studied in Bangalore. Okay, so this is about me. Okay, this is about me. If you'll have any question, we'll discuss in last. Okay. uh, First of all, the second topic what I wanted to discuss, that what is ETL testing. Okay, what is ETL testing? The general thing is that why we need ETL testing is that many of you people called me and you asked like what is ETL testing. So at that time I have explained you. Okay, that time I have explained you that what exactly ETL testing. Okay, consider that if you are in anywhere, like if you are in doing transaction in a banking. Okay, you go in a bank and you deposit the amount or you withdraw the amount, or if you go in an ATM, you do withdrawal or deposit, all these things. So you are generating a data. Or if you are buying any online product like your Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, and other online shopping, big basket, and all these things, you are generating data. So that data will be available. What company will want, like bank or any other Flipkart, Amazon, or other things, they want to keep their customer data for long time. Okay, so maybe 10 years, 20 years, from past 20 years when the company established, from that time they want to keep their data. So what they will do, they will collect this source data, whatever we are generating the data, and they will process, they will modify the data, and they will correct the data. They will do the cleansing process and all, and they will load into the one particular database. Okay, there 20 years, 50 years of data will be stored, all history data will be stored. So the process the data from source to your from the source where we are generating data. Okay, where we are generating data, which will pass through the multiple layer. Okay, and it will be load to the final database where the all the data, your history data, will be stored. They need ETL tester to validate whether whatever the data is processing from the your source to your final database for the history purpose, whether exact same data is processing or not, or like if perfect data is processing or not, whatever the how the client want their data to be loaded from the one layer to another layer, whether that is processing or not, or developer is applying, or whatever the rules is given by the client, that is doing it is done by the developer or not. Those are the validations we as a ETL tester will do. Okay, that's why it's very important nowadays, because after COVID, data, online data generations are huge. People are buying online product only, they are not going outside a market or a shopping mall or anywhere. Okay, if you have to during the COVID 2 years, you may also order big basket for the vegetables or your grocery item or anything. Okay, so you have not went there. So by knowingly or unknowingly, you have generated millions of record, or whatever the data you have generated. So those data company has to keep for the record, so that in after 10 years also they can be able to generate the report, how the 2020 we have done business, how in 2021 we have done business. Okay, how the 2022 we have done business, Okay, all these things, they will be able to take the report. So that's why they are storing all this, whatever the data you are generating, they will be storing into the their final database, and which will be helpful for the business perspective. Okay, so that's why they need ETL tester to validate the data, whatever the data is going to process from one layer to another layer, and it will be kept finally in a final database for the history purpose. So they need multiple ETL testers. They need more ETL testers to make sure that the data are valid, which is going to load into the your target, so that they can able to take the business decision based on whatever the data will be processed. 1 year report they will generate, business report they will generate, 6 month report they will generate, 1 month business report they will generate, and based on that only they will be able to take decision that okay, this region is doing good, Bangalore region is doing good, Mumbai region is doing good, then it's very good. Let's if they are doing good, let's increase more supply to here. Okay, let's increase more human or like the delivery person, so that you will be able to manage the delivery. Like if one product, if you have ordered, if it's delivered in a 5 days, it's or more delay, correct? So what they will do, they based on the 1 month of sales report, they will arrange more delivery people, they will arrange more delivery people, so that the product will be delivered in 1 day or 2 days only. So those decision they will be able to take it through the ETL testing. Whatever the data will be processed in the final database, they will be able to generate the report, and they will be able to take the business decision. So that's why they need n number of ETL tester to validate their data in one layer to another layer. When I am saying layer, means you consider database. Okay, you consider database. So we need SQL knowledge. For that only we are going to learn SQL. Okay, whatever the we are going to learn SQL for this validations of the data. Okay, because Java you cannot use it for the validation purpose. SQL is very suitable to validate your data. Okay, whatever the data, it will be stored in a database. SQL command will be more suitable for the Okay, so this is how we have ETL testing things. So hope it is clear for you. If you will not clear, then you ask me a question in last. We'll discuss more. Okay. Then why ETL testing? Why we need ETL testing? The question is coming here. We understood that what is ETL testing, but why we need ETL testing? Okay, why we need ETL testing? Because see, we know that as like I have explained you ETL testing profile. So they need each and every company, they need ETL testers. Okay, n number of ETL testers. And if you'll go in a market, you take any online company, you take any kind of kind of a store, H&M or Polo or any kind of company you take, they will need ETL testing for their product. How many, like if they will have the 1 million of customer or 1 lakh of customer every month they'll be generating, they will need ETL tester to validate their data. So ETL testing demand will be more, and more important is that it's easy to learn compared to all other you if you go for anything. Manual is also easy, but manual what happened like it's like lots of things are there in manual. Okay, lots of things are there in manual, and the job are very less in manual compared to other skills. Manual is having little less. Before it was there, but now it's less, because the manual concept they made it automate, but you cannot automate ETL testing completely. Okay, you cannot be, because the data wherever the issue will come, they need man force to validate all these things. So you cannot automate ETL testing completely. That's why they need n number of ETL testing testers with good knowledge of SQL, with the good knowledge of SQL, so that you will be able to validate your source data versus target data. Okay, so that's why we need ETL testing to learn it easily. Okay, and to crack the interview, it is easy process only. Okay, it is easy process only. Whatever you will learn here, the same question will be asked from here. There is no rocket science, there is nothing complex in this. Okay, they will ask the same question they will ask you from the in ETL testing, and you will be able to answer after the course. So it's easy to learn, easy to crack interview, and more important, when you will be in a project, it will be easy to deliver the project deliverables. Whatever the project you will be working, it will be easy only after the course. You will understand all the logic, how you are going to survive in a company. Okay, you will be able to deliver into the project also by knowing all this ETL testing concept after 45 days. And we offer two types of things. Okay, we offer two types of things. One is, okay, one is that regular classes you will be attending Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 1.5 hour class you will attend. Okay. Another thing is that if someone is full-time free, okay, someone is full-time, full day free, and you are able to give 8 to 10 hours of time, you are looking for a job faster. I want job in 20 days, 25 days only. You don't want to wait for 2 months. We'll provide you the access for the previous class recording, and will give you the access for that. You will prepare faster and you will give me mock step by step. Consider that you ask me to give the recording session. Okay, so what I will do, first of all, I will give you access for the Oracle SQL part. So SQL part, if you'll go, there are approximately 13 videos are there. Okay, 13 sessions are there. So once you will complete all these 13 sessions, I'll ask you to give the mock interview. Once you will be ready with the mock interview, then I'll give you the another. And class docs also will be shared for the practice purpose. Whatever the document we have, that will be shared to you for the practice purpose. Okay, all these things will be shared for to you as a practice purpose. Okay, so if you'll see here, we have installation guidance also, as well as your theory part. Whatever the theory part is there, it's nicely documented. I have taken help from Google, and best answer I have kept it, so you don't have to refer anywhere else. You just learn it from here. Whatever the theory part is there, query part also will be there. So query part also given. You can prepare 2-3 times more, and after that you will be able, if you want more complex things, you can do it by yourself by adding more number of things, or you can take help from the Google also. That is the things what we are doing. All these things, theories will be there. So there are two things. One, you can attend with the regular if you have no time to prepare faster way. But if you want to prepare in a fast way, I'll be sharing you the recordings. You can prepare faster. You ask me a doubt. Okay, you ask me a doubt, and whatever the content will be shared, and you give me the mock interview. Once you will be done with the mock interview, I'll give you the access for other topics like, you will have a data warehouse. Okay, next will be, I'll be giving you the data warehouse, where it is. Okay, data warehouse concept. Then I'll be giving you the Informatica, project explanation, agile methodology, ALM. Okay, all these things, manual testing, sample resume test, strategy test, summary, all these things part of ETL testing. I'll be sharing you the access, and you'll be able to prepare in 15 days only. Okay, 15 days only, you'll be able to prepare, and you will be ready after taking mock. If I'll find that you are suitable for 4 years, then I'll prepare 4 years resume. If you will be suitable for 5 years, will put 5 years of experience in same way. Okay, and you will get the job based on this. So you will be able to get job in a month only. You don't have to wait for 2 or 3 months. So this is how we prepared. Okay, so next topic will be the scope of ETL testing. Okay, so scope is very good because online data generation, after COVID, after 2020 March onwards, the data generation, online data generation are huge. Okay, so they need more number of number of ETL testers. So that's why the data generations are used. And nowadays, few of the project, they are introducing cloud part also. That will be added advantage in ETL testing. You will get more package only. Okay, more package. In my case, I can say that I got 21% of hike without asking. Okay, without asking, I got 21% of hike this year. Okay. So this is the feature of your scope of ETL testing and future of ETL testing. Another 10 years you are secure, because cloud age also came with the ETL testing. It's very, 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 very important for you to know. And if you go in a data engineering, any cloud application you go in DevOps, you go in Hadoop, you go in whatever the things you should have knowledge of ETL, extract, transform, load. You should knowledge of data warehouse. Okay, you should know some of the part of ETL testing also. then it will be added advantage in the, whenever you will be playing with the data. Okay, so this is the scope for your ETL testing. Okay, we have Simant joined from our, like, he got placed in two companies. Okay, so Simant is there. Hi, Simant.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, so he got job in a two company. So I'll ask him to explain his preparation and how it is benefited from these classes, how he got him benefited. Basically, he is from the mechanical background, 2014 pass out. Okay, 2014 pass out, mechanical background, and he got job in two places, two big MNC. Don't ask the company. Okay, it will be hidden for the security purpose. Like it will be difficult to if I'll tell you the company name. Okay, so Simant will help you to understand how this tutorial will help you to crack the interview. He was from the mechanical background and he was worried, okay sir, I'm from mechanical background and how it will be benefited for me to crack the interview. So Simant, can you explain how you prepared and previously where you were working, as well as the approach what you have taken, how it benefited you for, and can you guide others, Simant?
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Actually, I'm not teach you. I'm just sharing my personal experience and my strategy, how we can feel first time when we will meet to you. Just you say that I'm also a mechanical background and non-IT background, so I have also a lot of doubts regarding ETL, how we can get the offer in a non-IT to IT background. So just I'm just say that just follow the answer strategy and guidelines, and after in a 30 days, just after completing the course, Janser also provide his documents is more benefit for me, and also practices give after completing the class daily. I will put 1 hour extra then for the revision purpose, and after completing the class, the answer provides some most important interview questions, uh, in like 250 or more questions. So I'm just prepare and review that and getting the offer. And finally, I'm just say that please give your uh, 30 days to the
No, it's
answer,
40
and
days,
after 30.
45 days, Simant. Previously we were taking 30 days, but now it's a 45 days.
Yes, it's like a 45 days, then also get more offer later in your hand after 45 days.
And
And if you have
Simant,
any other doubt, then please connect with me individual.
Simant ji, I want to ask one question. What type of question they asked in ETL testing? How many weightage they give to SQL and how many weightage to ETL as well as data warehouse?
Actually, it's not compared because it's so you have facing the interview. So many companies, organizations are involved. So sometimes it's the interviewer perspective. Sometimes ask data warehouse, but you will give three sections like theoretical part, data warehouse, and also SQLs and data. Also asking the questions like data warehouse, and also give the effort in the project explanation, because you have to mention in your project in your CV, for you have to put like 2 or 3 projects you have done. So, so after completing the class, everything will be prepared by the answer. Is provide the guideline and also take the mock interview. So it suggests what you want to say that and what you don't say in interview.
Also important.
And how
Sorry.
many rounds of interview are there?
So
Report
like
writing is also important.
three round. Like first is like a screening round. After that you will,
Report writing also a part of yeah.
sorry.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Report is also important for.
Report is
Hello.
not mandatory. If you have
Hello.
complete the report. Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, yeah. Sir.
Report writing is important.
Nothing.
Hello.
If you mention, if you hello. Hello. Yes.
Yes, yes. Going, keep it up. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
I'm asking. A report writing is also important to learn.
No, actually, you have mentioned in your CV like a report, then it's okay. Otherwise, it's not asking the report. Just follow the answer. Is provide the documents, and is more than sufficient for crack the any interview. Hello.
Hi, Amina here.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Yes.
I want to know what are the things you used to do after the class? Means what
Okay.
revision is okay or any extra things or you have?
Yeah, just like answer that after completing the class, I give the 1 hour extra on daily for the revision purpose. Also, after completing the class, daily sir provide the documents. Then just follow the guidelines, and also like we have create the personal tables, and also like personal tables, and I will be revised many times. Also create data, insert data, all things will be करते and
Yes,
most
yes,
important,
yes, I am more.
just I'm say that like it's not go to any other platform or not also, because it's a social media, so many videos or links are available, but when you go to that, so it's creating a more doubts. So I'm suggest that don't move to any other platform or social media, just follow the general guideline and documents. It's more than sufficient to crack the any interview.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes.
Hello, sir. Good evening. My name is Sharath, and I am
लेक्चर
also
कब
from.
स्टार्ट होगा? हेलो,
Sorry.
लेक्चर
Hello.
कब स्टार्ट होगा?
Saturday.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Lecture will start
Sir, I
from
am also
Saturday.
from mechanical background only.
Okay.
So, will I be able to survive in this, in this field? That I have,
Yeah.
I don't have much knowledge about these tools.
Yeah. Actually, I'm also coming from the mechanical background, and
Yeah,
I
so
before.
that only I asked you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. It's definitely because it provides some important documents and also questions. Is more than because right now I'm working in an organization, so I'm
Okay.
also performing better here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, and how could I, that how could I revision? How could I prepare? Can you give?
हमारी पालने वाला मर जाए.
Actually, I'm sure that just after completing the class, each and every day, just provided documents.
Okay.
Which, and just follow that guidelines, and after it's more than sufficient for that. And just like you have to after uh, just say that it's okay.
Okay, sir, and I that yeah, in this one, will they provide us this knowledge of ETL testing from basics?
Yeah, it's a basic to advanced.
Okay.
I'm that just follow that guidelines,
Yeah.
and
Yes, sir, definitely.
don't move to any other platform like social media. Just follow that
Yeah.
each and every day, and
Okay.
after weekend you will individual connect to sir, then is provide, because sometimes you don't ask the questions doubt in class sessions, so connect individual in a weekend.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Welcome.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, with practical knowledge is essential.
Hello.
Sorry. Yeah.
Sir, is practical knowledge is essential in.
Yeah, I'm say that
Yeah.
it's after completing the class,
Only
provide 250 questions, more than 250 questions. So
how
be
to do practice.
Yeah, just practice, because after installing the oracles, then you have to practice daily. Now, also provide after completing the class, also sir provide documents. So first day you will, after completing the class, give
Document
1
for what
hour
purpose?
extra for the
Document.
documents, like it's provide like theoretical documents, and also provide like completing the class, then it's some questions, so you have to practice on the daily basis, and after completing the class 250 or more questions also provide, so just practice on that questions, and it's more than sufficient. So for the interview purpose and also
Oh.
for the organization
And
for the
sir,
project.
provide any project? Any project?
Also, yes. Also after
Sir, any
completing the
provide
class,
also project?
yes, sir, provide that,
Hmm.
and also explain how project, so many project, and
And any assignment?
also provide, yes, sir, definitely.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, Simant, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I want to ask that you have completed your 2014. You have done what? You haven't told us. What have you
No,
done?
actually, I
Oh,
have completed in 2015.
15.
From
Okay, so
in mechanical background, and after that, I'm going to
you have
then
done
join the
BTech, na?
BTech. Yes.
Acha, acha. And after that, 2015, what have you done exactly?
Exactly, I'm not an IT background. I'm joined the organizations like Reliance, and then just now I'm converting to
No, no.
non-IT to
After
IT.
2015, when have you joined the Jain, sir? When have you got?
Just
How you get connected to Jain, sir? By Facebook only, like me, or by any other medium?
just one friend
As if
shared
one
the
friend told.
contact details, and
Through
then
reference, he got my contact. Okay.
Hello.
Acha,
yes,
okay.
Hello.
yes,
Hello. In this training, we can this training is helpful for real-time scenarios after keeping
yeah.
experience.
Yes. It's very helpful. Just follow 1 week. After 1 week, you have also said that it's okay. And after completing the course, also it's a real-time scenario and also project explanations. It's a real basis project.
Okay. Is getting calls from how many years of experience for 2+, 3+?
It's like a 4. You have completed. It's not experience matter. It's only it's a project like a 2 to 3 project you have mentioned in your CV. So just taking so many calls also got.
Oh, Simant, I want to ask that if when you have joined your first company through this only, so there you must be asking about the documents like salary slip of the previous company. So how you gave? Sir provided you?
Those things
Yeah,
I'll be taking
it's
care of.
individual.
Okay.
Acha,
So
Individual
don't
cannot
ask
process after
those
class.
questions. Okay?
Hello.
That is,
acha. Okay, Jain, sir.
yeah, that would be very
Okay.
personal.
Okay, sir. So can I connect you after the meeting, Jain, sir?
Yeah, definitely. Anyone
Acha.
can connect me. Okay. Me or
Okay.
Bisal, anyone is fine. Bisal is my partner. So he'll be taking
Acha.
care of admin things like your whatever, like you to give the advertisement or like to add you in a group, as well as
Okay.
the installation purpose. He is also working in one of MNC. Okay, so he will
Acha.
help you into the installation process. If you'll have any doubt, you can ask him. Me as well. Anytime you can connect me. So there is no problem in that. Simant,
Oh,
Sure.
yeah. Okay, Jain, sir.
Okay,
yeah.
Simant.
Just one more question, Simant.
Last question, okay, guys.
No,
After
Yeah,
that, yeah.
yeah. I just wanted to know, as you said that you will be training us in Informatica ETL, right? And do we get that software to install in our computer, or how are we going to use that?
Informatica tool is like license based. Okay, if you're ready to pay the license, we'll provide you that software. Okay.
No, is there any way
For
that we
ETL
can? I mean,
testing, we don't need exactly Informatica tool.
Info,
Siman, do we
yeah.
need to install
No.
Informatica tool?
No. I'm also at that time in a organization also I don't install the Informatica because it's less work, only like work from manager
It's
and
very important for developers. Developers,
yeah.
they have to work mostly on the Informatica part only. And we have very limited scope for Informatica in this. But I'll
Jayant,
explain you developer
Jayant,
level also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Jayant, I know. I mean,
Your
Informatica
name?
is.
Your name?
My name is Harry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to know that beside Informatica, do you also train on Ab Initio, Data Stage, those tools as well?
See, guys, Informatica is very common tool. Out of 10
Yeah.
interviews, 7 or 8, they will consider Informatica openings only. Okay. Other like 1 or 2 places you will go for the Abinitio or the talent one, data stage, all these things. One in opening you can consider. But out of 10, 6, 7, 8 will be the Informatica only. If you know Informatica based skills, okay, you will be getting selected in as a ETL tester. Okay. So you don't worry about that. Okay, if you will be working on Informatica, and then later on, if you will be joining any organization, they'll be using data stage or Amnesia or talent. They will train you and then they will take you. But Informatica is a common for the interview perspective. What is our target? Our target is to get job easily and faster way. So I want to make sure that you enter into the IT company. So whatever the easiest way and the faithful way, that will follow.
Thanks, Jen. Thank you.
Okay, Simon, thank you for your time. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Hopefully it will be helpful for other to prepare the things and get the job. Okay. And meanwhile, I'll request you to help other people.
Sir,
Time
sir,
by time.
sir, ETL, sir.
Yeah, sir. Tell me.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir, ETL tool, how to drive the ETL tool, how to know the.
Everything I'll tell you. Don't worry. I have full setup. You don't have to worry on that.
How to. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So see, if you'll see Power Center Repository Manager, this is the ETL tool.
Sir, batch starting time?
This Saturday, 7 o'clock, we are starting, but regular class will be from next week onwards, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This week, I'm starting with the Saturday. Okay. It will take 6 weeks, 45 days of the course. Previously, I was taking 1 month, 35 days. But now the people who are working in office and all, no, they were not able to manage the speed. So I made it 3 days in a week. Okay. If anyone will be looking forward to prepare faster, you can ask me the recording session. I'll provide you the recording. If you'll have any doubt, we'll clear that doubt. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
3 days, 3 days practice need, sir. 4 days practice and 3 days theory, sir.
3 days full theoretical part. I'll take session on ETL testing 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sir. Just a second, hold. I listen your question. 3 days will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, working as well as the practice as well as the theory session. Tuesday and Wednesday, I do I take sessions for the mock interviews. If any doubt is there, whoever is attending interview for them, if you will have any basic query, Tuesday, Wednesday evening, I'll be helping you in that. Okay, hope it will be clear. Okay. Okay, so without wasting time, I hope hold your questions. We'll discuss those questions in last. Okay, just be on mute, guys. Whoever not talking, will answer your all questions in last. Okay, if we'll require, we'll schedule another demo class also, but you don't worry about that. Okay. Okay, so next one is like a scope we discussed. Okay. Next one will be how I say 100% job guarantee. Okay. So the thing is that in market job is there. Okay. Whether you have BCom, BA or BTech people with the gap and all. So job is there 100%. IT companies nowadays, they are hiring BCom people also, BA people also, BSc people also. All streams they are hiring. If you have good knowledge, they will hire you and they will put you in a project. But the pay, what you get as a BTech and a BA, it will be little bit different. Okay, the pay, what they will pay to the BTech people and what they will pay for the BA people or BSc people, it will be little bit down. Okay, it will be little bit less, not exactly less, but later on after 1 or 2 years, you can you can improve or you can switch outside and then you can you will get more hike and all that. Okay, one year is the starting time where like if you'll work for 1 year, then next year onwards you'll not have any problem. Okay, moreover, like how I'm saying 100% job guaranteed means what? You will put your 100% effort. You will put your 100% effort. Every company, they have opening for ETL tester. If it's a small company also, they need ETL tester. If it's a big company also, they need n number of ETL testers. So job openings are there only. Okay, so it's there. You have to jump and you have to grab it. You have to learn and you have to grab it. So that's why your 100% effort will be needed. If you will make it down 90%, 80%, 70%, 60%, then this percentage also will go down. Once you will cross the level, no level of the knowledge for ETL testing from my this thing, you will be able to crack n number of interview. Any interview you will be able to crack, like how Simant, he cracked 2 interview. First, like he was struggling with, he was telling that mechanical background and all, but he cracked first interview, and then later on he cracked another, like he was able to crack 2-3 round in each every interview. Once he cracked, he crossed the level. So you have to just give your 100% effort, 100% effort for 45 days. If you are going for the regular classes, if you are going for the crash course type, like fast track course, then 30 days you have to give your 100%, 8 hours, 6 hours, like that. You will definitely, you will get 100% job. Okay. And someone asked, like do we get the project part and all? So you have the project explanations, all these things. Okay. 12, 13, 12, all these things are there, even though like I'll be sharing you all the details. Okay, the fact table and all these things, as well as someone asked like ALM resume part also. Resume also, we have so many resume. You don't have to worry on in anything. 100% syllabus will be covered. Not also 1% also will not leave. Okay, 1% also will not leave. Okay. Marketing also, whatever you have worked on the streaming. Okay, if you worked on the marketing, if your designation will not match, then we'll go for the document. We'll discuss that. That is also point are there. You don't worry on that. The will come on the experience part. So if you'll give 100% of effort. Okay, regular people, 45 days people, 2 to 3 hours every day you have to give effort. Fast track people who are like subscribing for 20 days, 25 days, you have to give 6 hours minimum per day. Okay, 5 to 6 hours every day you have to give. You will get the job 100% sure. Okay, job is there. You have to jump and you have to grab it. You have to learn and you have to make yourself. You have to prove yourself and you will get the job. Okay. Next thing is that the class recording and daily class notes will be shared after each class. Consider that Saturday we have done first session, so those recording, class recording, as well as the document will be shared after end of the class. Maybe it will take 2-3 hours to upload, but same day itself you will be getting the recording as well the class document in your we have the Google Drive. But initial 3 to 4 classes will be done in I have a YouTube channel also. There it will be uploaded. Okay, there it will be uploaded. So if you will see here, there it will be uploaded your all these things. I have a YouTube channel where like 630 people are already joined. Okay, so this is how we have the YouTube channel, and you can subscribe there. I'll share the today's recording also in the YouTube only, so that everyone will be able to access. Okay, so class recording and daily document class notes will be shared in your drive for sure. After third class it will be done. Okay, I'll be asking your mail ID and I'll be providing you the all access. Mock interviews after completion of your SQL. Okay, after completion of your SQL, I'll ask you to give the mock interview in a class also. 15 minute, 20 minute after completion of SQL I'll take, and every class, okay, 5 or 10 minutes I'll be asking the previous class questions. Okay, so you have to be prepared and you have to answer the question. If you will become completed full syllabus, 2-3 interviews I'll take, and wherever I'll find that you need enhancement, I'll tell that listen the recording, learn the things once more time, and give the mock interview next 1 week later. Okay, so this is how we have the okay things. Okay guys, so just a second. So regular classes will be your Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Morning, evening 7 to 8:30. Okay, the timing will be 7 to 8:30. Okay, so this is how we have. Okay, so some people will ask that what is the difference between manual automation in ETL. So as I explained you, ETL will work on the data, online data and all this thing. Manual, like if you'll have Amazon and all, so you will go validate those like whatever the online you have. Whatever the web portals you have, you will go online and you will check all the functionality is working or not manually. Okay, So that is the manual test case. But manual things, these are the things. It nowadays they made it automated, so they will use automation. That's why manual testing openings are very less. Automation, due to automation, all manual test cases they will automate it, and accordingly it will be done. But ETL they cannot automate completely, so that's why they need a human resource to do that. Okay, so this is how we have. And one more thing, guys, whoever is having the gap, okay, whoever is having the gap, the last point and very important point, whoever is having gap in your education background, just a second, let me take. Okay, guys. So one of the student got placed in one of the big MNC again. So they called me for the things, for like what documentation part and all these things. So that's what I received the call in between. So it was important. Okay. So the gap, how can we fill it? Okay, the gap, how can we fill it? We have a very good contact with the whoever is providing document. So initially what we will do, no, like the total charge for this will be 20K. So there are separate team of that. It's not under us. We are providing training and we'll help you to understand the logic and all. We have different team, okay, different people are there. So we are helping a student to get all this document, whatever you need as per your knowledge and all. I'll help you to how many years required and all basic setup, those things, and then you will go for it. And total charge they are taking, I guess, 620, correct, Bisal?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, so they are charging 20, and initially they will provide you all the basic document like salary slip and salary hike, offer letter, your form 16, real form 16. They will provide you initially, so that once you will prepare with the course content, I'll take the mock interview and I'll tell you that get the document from those people. I'll provide you the contact. You will go and you will contact them and you will get the document without paying any charges. The basic document they will provide you, the basic document, the salary slip, offer letter and all these things, HR details, your mail ID, all these details they will provide you without taking any charges. Once you will be doing the interviews and all, if you will be done with the interview, you have to pay them the remaining amount and you will get the document. Your verification will be clear. So like that we are working. People will be charging 35-40,000 in market, but we don't do business in this document part, because we don't take care of this things personally. Okay, it's like team is there. If any problem will be there, I'll help you in that. I'll resolve that. Okay, if any problem will be there. But moreover, these are the things. Separate team will be working and they will take care of initial document without paying any zero amount. You will be getting the document. Okay, later during the verification you have to pay remaining amount. Okay, so this is how we work. And the form 16, what they committed, they will be providing you the original form 16. They'll be applying into the government site and all these things. You will be able to check those things from the things. PF account also they will be creating. These are the things. As I'm telling you, it's not like for my things, but other people they will do it. How the market works, the same things I'm saying that. Okay, so each and every document to clear your verification, it will be done. Okay, so this like this will be filling your gap. You will be able to fill the gap. We are not involved much in this, but if you'll have any trouble, we'll involve in that. Okay, so this is how we have. Coming back to the course content. Okay, coming back to the course content.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Just a
I'm
second.
working
Just
in a company.
hold.
So in that company, I'll be having a PF account already. Okay.
Mahbub will come to
Yes.
that. We can discuss offline. Okay, not here.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay, so the course, why I'm making hurry, because we committed for 1 hour. Maybe it will go for 5-10 minutes more. So no worries. Let's complete this and then we'll move to this one. Okay. So let me just okay. So the agenda, what we are going to discuss as a part of ETL testing is like a data warehouse concept, DWH concept full to crack your interview as well as your knowledge purpose. SQL part we are going to complete from basic to the complex level so that you will be able to crack the interview. Guys, wait in chat. I'll also see the question and we'll try to answer. If not today, then maybe one more demo I'll schedule on Friday. Okay, to answer all the questions. So you don't worry, you can contact me or Vishal also for the, if any question will be left out. We are here to help you 100% to get you job, knowledge transfers, I'll make it perfect so that you will be getting the job. Okay, Informatica tool overview with transformation logic, ALM tool overview, Informatica tool, I'll tell you in this is very important. Okay, this topic is very important. Till here you can learn anywhere, but I have seen in YouTube or any other places, you will not have full information on this one. So in this one, I'll teach you how to create test case, how to write your document, how to prepare your query, how to validate the data from one layer to another layer in Excel file. In Excel, how you are going to validate through the, how you are going to save your test result, how you are going to log the defect, in what condition you are going to log the defect. Informatica tool development level knowledge also, and tester knowledge, tester size, ETL testing knowledge also I'll provide you in Informatica tool. Whatever the logic, whatever the mapping I have created, developer knowledge also I'll transfer, as well as tester things also, whatever is required, I'll explain you n number of times until unless you will not understand. Okay. So this is very, very important in all over like topics. This is very, very important. Okay, this part and this part you will not get other places because many people, they will train you, but they will not explain you what you have to tell in the interview. Many people, they are contacting me and they are saying that I have not having any I have learned other places but not able to crack the interview because I'm not able to explain project as well as the SQL part. So those are the things. You don't have to worry, just give me your 100%, I'll give you offer letter in your hand. So this much of faith in I have in myself, as well as if you'll give your 100% in your case also. Okay. So ALM tool, I'll be explaining how to write test case, how to upload the test case, how you're going to raise defect, all these things, how you're going to run the test case. Basic Unix command, I'll be sharing you the document. This is not required to explain. Okay, if you'll have any doubt, we can connect, no problem. But this is only the basic knowledge is needed for the Unix command. I'll be sharing you the Unix command. Okay, I'll be sharing you the Unix command. No need to worry. Okay, all the Unix command I'll be sharing you. This one, how to hide one. Okay, maybe. Okay, so this is what we have, your Unix command, basic manual testing concept. I'll be explaining you all the concept is required for your ETL testing. We are not going to learn 100% manual testing concept, but definitely 30-40% we are going to learn as a part of your, as part of your ETL testing. Okay, agile methodology is very, very important for your interview perspective. People who are working in a real-time scenario also, you'll, some of the terms you will be not knowing in agile. I'll teach you that in our classes. Okay, guys, don't text it. Okay, it's like, project explanations will I'll be showing you how if your source will be your flat files, if your project will be your, what is that, like if your layers, if your source will be a flat file, as well as if your source will be your database, then how to validate, how it will be processed to the further layer, all these things I'll explain. Important interview questions we'll discuss. Resume building assistance, definitely I'll help you. Job assistance also I'll be helping you. Okay, so these are the things, basic things we are going to cover, all these things. Coming back to the detail level, these are the topics what we are going to cover as part of data warehouse. Why data warehouse architecture, what is data warehouse, why data warehouse, types of databases, what is ETL, overview of ETL operations, what is the difference between normal database and data warehouse, what is OLTP, what is OLAP, what is difference between OLTP and OLAP, what is data mart. So these are the many things it will be you'll be seeing first time, but no worries, no worries. If you are seeing first time also, you'll be familiar after once I'll explain it completely. Okay, what is the difference between data mart and data warehouse? What is data modeling technique? Dimension data modeling technique: star schema, snowflake, dimension table, fact tables, normalization, denormalization, SCD. All these things we are going to discuss as part of data warehouse. Okay, next one will be your basic of SQL. The SQL part is very, very important for your interview perspective. So 50% of session time will be taken by the your SQL discussion only, because I'll be discussing in detail. Okay, I'll be discussing full details of the SQL. So these are the topics. It's your DDL command, DRL command, DML command, TCL, DCL, general functions will be discussing more, because interview perspective these are very important: date function, date conversion function, number function, string number, analytical function, rank and dance rank, data aggregate function, integrity constant, table join, set operator, pseudo column, subqueries, what is used, how to create backup table, case statement. Okay, important SQL queries for interviews. All these things we are going to learn as part of your SQL. We are giving more time because it's very important, because based on this only you will be able to survive in a company. If you will make this 100% very perfect, complex level also, you can crack any type of interview for ETL testing. Okay, so our end of the day, we should get offer letter, we should get job. That is my target, how we can provide you the job. All support will be provided. The number of mock interview will be taken. Documents part will be taken care by the support team. Okay, so you don't have to worry here. Or full package will be there, 100% package wherever you go. But this is the perfect to get you a job. If you don't have job, if you are working in a manual, this is the perfect. ETL testing is perfect for you to get hike. Okay, if you are working as a developer and all, this course is not suitable for you. If you are working as a developer in IT field, it is not suitable for you, because you will have you can search in your development things. Okay, testing part, it will be more useful for the performance tester, manual testers, or non-IT background, or the gap people who will be able to crack it easily, and you will be more suitable. So I have taught experience with 14-15 years of employees also. They have cracked it very nicely, and they got into the other company also. So that much of level confidence I have, so that I can teach seniors also. Okay, so introduction to Informatica ETL tool. As part of Informatica tool, what are Informatica components, Informatica repository, what is Informatica Power Center Designer, Informatica workflow monitor, what is workflow, session mapping, different types of job status, all these things. Transformation, Informatica and types, aggregate transformation, filter transformation, router expression, joiner, lookup. All these transformations we'll see as part of Informatica transformation. Just a second. Sorry guys. So log files, how to validate log files, source and target validation, your preparation of test case, writing queries, all these things we'll discuss. Okay, testing scope in Informatica tool, active and passive transformation, all will see. Manual testing concept, whatever is required for the ETL testing, these are the things we will discuss. Okay. So you don't have to worry. 30-40% of manual testing topics will be covered as part of ETL testing. They will not ask you much, but whatever is required, you have to learn it properly. Agile methodology, your FTP, project explanation, ALM, all these things we'll discuss. Okay. And if time permits, then we'll go for the Python. Otherwise, you can learn from W3 school. They have explained very easily. Okay, learn means in the sense for the name purpose only, we need just Python to enhance your resume. Okay, that's all. Not required much in this Python, because you will be not working as a Python. In none of the one single query also you will not write for the Python as a ETL testing. What you will be using, you will be using SQL. Okay, you will be using SQL. So that's what the agenda we have. Okay, agenda we have for the ETL testing full syllabus. Next demo classes I'll schedule on Friday. Okay, next demo class I'll schedule on Friday, and I'll explain in detail. I'll explain in detail first agenda only, then I'll move to the these are the topics. Okay, so this is how we have. Okay, Now you can fire your questions to me. Okay. You are.
Jen, this had is there any differences between the database testing and ETL testing?
Yeah, there are slightly little bit differences of database testing, but almost some of the project it's the same thing only. ETL testing, you will be using ETL tool like Informatica, Talent, Evanissio, all this ETL tool you will be using. Database testing you will be doing in a database only. Okay, and in database testing you should knowledge of PL SQL also, but in ETL testing you don't have to you don't have knowledge on PL SQL, that is fine. So it's not required to be like perfect in PL SQL. Only SQL you should be perfect.
Okay, thank you.
And this is
Hello,
100% online classes. There is no offline. You can contact me on phone, WhatsApp. The regular classes will be on the Zoom. Okay. Online only Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be the session for the discussion of if you'll have any issue and all. If you're attending interviews, those questions we can discuss. Your mock interviews will be taken on Tuesday and Wednesday. These are the things we are going to do it. Okay. Next question, guys.
Hello, Jayant.
Yeah.
Can you tell that what's the how the Power BI and this tool is related? Is there any difference or similar?
Yeah. So when I was explaining you may heard it. What is ETL testing? Okay, what is ETL testing? I used the term called reporting. Okay.
Yeah.
So, reporting in the sense what you will be using your BI tool. Okay, BI tool means business intelligence tool. Cognos or Tableau tool you will be using for the to generate the report. Client will be using Cognos or any tool what they will subscribe, they will be using to generate this report to see the business progress. Okay, to see the business progress. So Power BI is something else where they will be developing the report. Whatever the report you will be validating as part of ETL testers, they will be developing into that. So and you will be validating that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Next question, guys.
Yeah. Hi, Jay. Hello, this is Sunita.
Yes.
Yeah, I have total 11 years of experience in manual testing and some support projects like L1 support, L2 support. Yeah. Does this course is helpful to me to get chances?
Definitely. What you understand by how it will be helpful? Can you just tell me your understanding? Then I'll enhance you.
Yeah, actually, no, actually for ETL, there is no coding.
Yeah,
right?
it's little bit are there, like query part you have to write.
Yes,
it's not like 100% not, but little less.
100%. I mean, can we automate the ETL?
That's what I told. 100% we cannot automate ETL. We need.
How much percent we can automate?
See the layer of validations, what you do, no, like one layer and another layer validations, like you will write your query that you have to write. Okay. And the test case you can place into the test case number into the, consider that one tool is there, automated tool is there. So in that source setup is done. Okay. Target setup is done. You have prepared the test case and all these things. Instead of firing into the database, you will be updating your query and source query and target query into that automated tool. And when you'll submit it, it will compare both the query and it will give you the result, whether pass or fail. Same thing what you are going to do in a database, no? That you are going to automated tool. So you are not automating, correct? You are writing test case, you are preparing your test case query, whatever the query, SQL query you are preparing, that only you are using tools to the customer satisfaction. There is nothing else.
Okay. Yeah.
If any difference will come, then manually you have to check in the database why this difference is coming.
Okay.
Yeah. So
can we use Power BI tool also here?
Power BI, that's what I'm
for
saying.
Reporting purpose?
Yeah, reporting purpose. When you will be working as an end-to-end tester, you will be using whatever the tool business people they will give you, the client and all. So those tools you have to validate with the target table so that like latest record is coming into that or not. So, and it will be very helpful for your manual testing because you have 11 years of experience. You will be in a comfort zone. Okay, so you can't learn Java-based skills. You'll not go for the very complex because I have also 11 years of experience. I learned 3 years back data science, but like I am very comfortable in ETL testing only because the flexibility 2-3 hours per day, if we'll sit properly, will be able to deliver the project deliverables. So that is that much of flexibility you will get in testing. So you will not go in other field also. So for your things, ETL testing will be more suitable and you will get more package. Whatever the package you will be getting in 11 years, so hopefully you will not get more as a part of manual tester. But ETL testers, you can expect 11 years of experience, 28-29 lakhs. Up to that level it will go. Okay. Next question.
Hello, Jen.
Thank you.
Hi, Jen. Hello, Jen. I just wanted to know, are we also going to teach us to write the ETL test plan, test cases, test, test scenarios?
Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to write test cases. Test plan, I'll tell you what exactly the things will be there in your things. Test strategy, test summary report, I'll explain you what are the things will be there. End of the day, when you'll get the project details, you'll be able to prepare that things. And I'll give you the assignment to prepare the test cases.
Perfect.
Okay.
And as you said that,
I'll explain. Yeah.
how much, you have been working like, you have like this experience, right? 11 years of experience, right? So I know your experience is too much than what we are just starter. So how much time do we need to contribute in our regular working day for these types of roles?
If you're working somewhere, then every you definitely you'll go with the regular classes. 45 days you will attend the classes, and every day you have to give at least 2 hours of time to do SQL practice as well as the theoretical part. Okay, 2 hours I'm expecting everyone, like seriously. It's not like you'll be using mobile tupper, and then you'll be listening the recording, not like that. With full concentration, 2 hours every day, 45 days. You see, for the end of the 45 days, you will have offer letter in your hand. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
If you are going for fast track, then 5 to 6 hours per day you need. If you are full. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi Jay, this is
Hello.
Bhavya.
Yeah.
Actually, I have 11 plus years of around 12 years of experience in mainframes and manual testing.
Yeah.
So is this course will be helpful for me to attend interviews outside for my experience?
Definitely, you if you're working as a manual tester for 11 or 2 years, I guess your package will be little less only, not like it will be 25 or 26 like that. Okay, so if you want that much package, then you have to learn this. Okay.
What is the batch size?
Sorry?
Hello. Jen, one more thing over here.
Yeah.
Hello. One thing is like 45 days is like training days or like total days when you start the training. And the second question is, I am working as a Salesforce tester. So do I need to like
you told in the starting of the class, I explained it. I'll share the recording, you listen that again. 45 days when I'm saying 6 weeks, Friday, Saturday, Sunday class only. Okay.
So it's 20 classes, right?
Yeah, 20 classes approximately it will be.
Got it.
1 or 2 here and there, but it will be 20-21. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. And meanwhile, like Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday also, if you people will agree, 1 or 2 general discussion or like ALM and part EG topics will cover in that time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Completely understood.
Yeah. Next question, guys.
Yeah, hi Jayant, this is Roja. Is there any tools suggest to us?
Yeah, SQL tool, Oracle SQL developer, I'll be suggesting you to install. I'll be sharing.
But there is no data, right? How can we practice without
there
data?
will be data. A schema part also, I'll help you on that. Okay. The schema is there, which will be like the 3-4 tables will be inbuilt in that. You will be able to practice in that. Okay. I'll tell you the coming Saturday, or I'll do one thing. I'll share few 1 or 2 session of SQL so that you people can start practicing. Next question, guys.
Oh, we can use how many days we can use it? The training period, or after? Do you give any other
I'll be
after
giving you the
training?
full time. Okay, 1 year, 2 years
Oh,
validity will be there. Okay.
okay. Thank you.
Next.
Hi Jayant, Amina here.
Yeah,
As you
Amina.
said, no, that you will give the previous class recording
Yeah,
sections
yeah.
are there that you will provide. So
Yes.
you will give at a time, or one if you will finish one class, then you will provide the next.
See, if you will be attending regular classes, I'll be giving you a class by class recording. Okay. Consider that this Saturday we have finished one class, so I'll be giving you that class. So if Sunday, if you have finished another class I'll upload even with the class notes. So day by day, the class, how the class will be progressed, the recording will be uploaded for the same class recording, zero editing with. Okay. And if you are looking for fast track course, then let me know. Just message me separately in WhatsApp. Will help you for the fast track course. If you are looking for faster, if you have free time in a daytime or something, 5-6 hours per day, if you are able to give, then let me know your mail ID. You
Okay,
ping me
so
in WhatsApp. I'll be helping you. Okay, next
okay, if
question,
you
guys.
want to prepare in fast track, then different batches available, right?
No, not different batch. Same batch also you will be able to join. This batch only you will be joining, but I'll be providing you the access for the what is this? If you'll see my screen, these are the recordings will be there in this all this thing. Class recording, zero editing, class recording. How I'm taking class recording, no? Same way I'll be uploading here. If you'll see here, 224 MB, 165, 207. So it's the same how I'm taking classes, same way it will be uploaded.
Okay, got it.
Not for
Jain
the
sir.
any certification, it's fine. ETL testing, anyway, we are going for the gap part, so we'll go for the experience later. We are not going for the certification here. It's not mandatory. It's not cloud technology. It's the ETL testing. Okay, certification is not required. Okay, tell me next question.
Hi Jain sir.
Yeah.
Jain sir, this is Ganesh here. My query is like I'm not from any IT background. I don't have any knowledge about IT. I was into sales and marketing for the last 12 years.
Yes.
Yeah. So what would you suggest me in this particular case? Because nothing to do with IT. How can I, what is going to be the future for me? Like if I
Believe me, in this batch, 90% people are from non-IT background. Okay, they don't know ABCD, and I am going to teach you A to Z in ETL, like testing background or IT culture, everything. So you will not struggle in anything into once you'll enter into the IT company. That's why I added the content for the this one agile methodology. If you'll see my screen, you'll be able to see agile methodology. This will give you the complete working environment, how the meeting will be scheduled, who is your manager, what he will explain, how you're going to manage all these things. I'll be explaining here. Okay, as well as you, once you will be entered into the company, I'll be suggesting you that what to do next and all these things if you will be contacting me. Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, next question, guys.
Hi, Jayant.
Yeah, hi,
This is
Bhargavi.
Monica.
Achha, Monica, yeah, hi.
Yeah. So, do we have any automation part that you will be teaching us?
Not required automation in this one.
కొంచెంసేపటి ఎల్లురా నేను క్వశ్చన్ అడగాలి.
So we don't need automation part in here. Okay, we are going to learn everything like SQL based, Oracle SQL based, and then we don't need automation things, anything. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Monica. So hope you don't have any question. Okay.
Yeah, Jay, I have one more question. Like, if after completion of this course, can we get any can we get certifications as a ETL test?
You don't need a certification. Which year pass out you are?
2009.
And you are
MCA.
working somewhere in manual testing, you told.
Yeah, I have around 12 years of experience in
Then
manual
you
and
don't need
mainframe experience.
ETL testing because a certificate is not cloud technology. We don't need certification here. Okay.
Okay, suppose if I have interest to do on database related certifications, then
you can go ahead for the certification. But the thing is that what I will suggest, no, because you have 12 years of experience in manual testing. So what we will do, we'll place 5 or 6 years of last 5 or 6 years you are working as a ETL tester. Okay, so based on that only you will get more hike.
Okay.
So if you'll give certification, if you'll show the certification certificate for SQL or ETL testing, they will tell you that, okay, you have learned now. So, but you are showing as a 5 or 6 years of experience in ETL testing. So they will caught you and they will reject you from the company.
Okay.
So in that case, because more of the people, they will come with the manual background, performance tester, as well as the gap people, non-IT background. So if we will be showing 5 years or 6 years of ETL testing experience, so that will be not helpful for those people, 99% of cases. Yeah, we are not fresher. We don't need a certificate now. Okay. Next question.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Bhargavi. Okay, guys. So hope any other question? Rasmi, you have? Binay? Okay.
Yeah, Jay, can I ask you?
Yeah, go ahead. Tell me.
Yeah, compared to other tools in the market regarding the testing, how could we survive in the future? Means ETL is having a better feature than the other tools, or
if you see, I have explained in the scope. Okay, I have explained the scope part. Scope for the ETL testing as like this is the online data generation or the database technology, and we will have lifelong data will be there. The day by day data is increasing, so the day by day your ETL project will increase. So your future is very secure. You'll from past 11 years I'm able to survive, and another 10 years, 15 years, 20 years also. I don't think so data is going to die. Okay, data will be there for lifelong only, so it will be more useful only for you. Okay.
oh, thank you, Jay. And what about the content that you're sharing for the fast track and for
FastTech content, what I'm going to share, if you'll see my screen, these are the contents what I'm going to share. First, I'll give you access for the Oracle. Okay. In this, your class document will be there, as well as your recording will be there. Installation guidance will be there. The class recording, 13 recording will be there, 13 sessions recording. 1 hour, 15-minute class recording. Then your interview related, all this, the scenario based question, the complex question, as well as what are the questions I will be asked in interview, that will be there. Yeah.
Thank you, Jane.
Yeah. So next time after that, I'll be giving you the one by one other access, and I'll be taking your mock interview, so that I will make sure that you are getting the concept.
Okay, Jane. Thank you for that.
Sir, I want to ask one thing, like if you are putting, because I have done my this one, AWS, this one, cloud technology. So if I'm putting that thing into my resume along with ETL, is it okay, or like only I have to show this?
No, whatever the extra skills is there, if you'll put that, you will get faster.
Okay. Okay.
Nutana messaged me that, see, you are 2020 pass out, 2 years of experience will put, and then based on that, you'll get the job. Okay, 2 years of experience will put, Nutana. How we fill the gap, I have just explained into the experience document. We have separate team who will help you to fill the gap without taking any single amount. They will give you the basic document, including the real form 16. And based on that knowledge, they will share you the mail ID also, and then employee ID, everything they will share, HR details and all. You will be attending the interview. Once you will be attending the interview, your during the verification, you have to pay the amount to the team. They will be clearing your interview. They will be clearing your BGB. Okay. Yeah, next question, guys. And here, one more thing I want to mention, that here there is no cheating, there is no false commitment. Whatever the things are there, I'll be telling you in front of you. I have this is my part time. I am not doing for this full time and all. I have my own job in a big company, and I'm getting approximately 2 lakhs monthly salary. So these are the things are extra. Okay. So why I will lie to you? I'll not cheat you. I'll not lie you. So you don't worry about this. Whatever the true things are there, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so there is no cheating, there is no lying things. If whether you join or not join, I don't care, but I will not cheat you guys. Okay, you have done MBA, then you can change it. Which year pass out you are? Just connect with me or Bisal, he'll help you to understand, or me. Civil engineer, mechanical background people also got the job, so you will also get the job. Civil engineers. Okay. 2 years of experience, you will expect approximately 4 lakhs of package will so 6 or 7 lakhs you can expect. Okay. See, each and every batch, approximately 30-35 people will be there. So out of that, like some of the people will be from the company, like 10 out of 35, you can say 10 to 12 people will be from the direct company. They will switch internally. Okay, they will switch internally, or they will search the job. Their process will be little bit slow because they'll be working and they'll not have time and all. So 15 people you take like that, 20 people out of 20 people, to 13 to 14 people, they will get the job. Okay, if you will put effort, don't see others. If you will put effort, 100% of effort, you will get the job. This month, in September month till today, in 12 days we got 4 offer letter. If market is also not good, but after that also we are able to manage 4 students, they got the job knowingly. Unknowingly how many they got in backend, they'll be not updating, everyone will be not updating me, but 4 people as of now I know they got job in till 12 days. Okay, in this 12 days, 12 September till 12 today. I explained that gap you can fill. We have a separate team, they will fill your gap, you don't worry. Okay, Siddharam, you don't worry, we'll work on that one. Okay, I'm working as a application support with 4 years of experience. How much package I can expect after training? Current package is around 6. You can expect 10 to 11. Okay. I'm lacking in communication. How do you help, sir? See, the communication part, if you don't know a little bit English also, I cannot help in that case. But if you know little bit English, if you are able to communicate the things, you have to explain the theory. Means whatever the question, if they consider, they ask what is ETL testing, you should be in a position to explain that topic perfectly. It's not like you will be struggling to speak that what is ETL testing, not like that. If you will be able to explain theoretical part, you will get the job. Okay, and the communication is not the things. Language is not the big problem. Okay. Definitely you will be able to manage 45 days of training. What I'm going to give, you will be able to manage. If you will be negative, then if you will think that way, you will not able to manage. If you are not ready to give 100%, please don't join. If you are ready to give 100% of your effort, whatever I will tell you, you will catch that one. Whatever I will guide you, if you are ready to grab it, join here. Otherwise, if you are 50% of mine, don't join here. Okay. If you are ready to give your 100%, I can give you in writing, you will get your job. With whatever it's non-IT or whatever it may be, you will be able to get. This ETL testing is very easy to crack the interview. Do you provide job support? Job support, we have separate team. Okay. The location, we have to see which location we have, how many people will provide the job support. Okay. 2011 BCom people, 2006 also they got the job. You don't worry. Today what I was talking about, two people they got the job. 2006, another one was 2018, I guess. Okay, so they got the job. 2006 people, or 2011 is far after that. Okay, I have 11 years of experience. How much? 60-70% you can expect above that. Okay, 11.4. It will go around 17, 18, 19. Okay.
Sir, for experience, if you're putting 5 years of experience, so what will be the package that will be shown in our experience certificate?
5 years will show as a 6.57 lakhs of package, and based on that 11 or 12 you will get the package.
Okay.
How much your current package? 15 years of experience. You told 12 years of experience, but why you are asking? Why you are telling 15 years of experience? iPhone. Okay, 15 is the package, then you can expect 24-25 lakhs of package. Okay guys, so let's finish the call. Okay, it's been 1.5 hours. The schedule time was 1 hour only. I'll do one thing. I'll schedule another demo class on Friday evening, and then we'll answer your remaining questions. And you can call me, or you can YouTube. It's not there, all the recording, only demo classes will be there. YouTube, I'm not uploading all the classes. If I'll be uploading there, then what is the use of taking classes? I can refer you there only. So you will not find any further classes after demo into the YouTube. Okay. This class will start from this Saturday, coming Saturday. What is this? 12th, no? From 17th we are going to start, and you consider six weeks, 1 or 2 days extra. You can consider 7 weeks, and then it will be over. Another 1.5 months it will be over. Okay. For 15 years, we'll put 7-8 years of experience as ETL testing, and you can get it. Okay, guys, so let me close the call. Join Friday, or call me or with Bisal. They will help you to understand the things. Okay, and we'll meet on to for a Saturday class. If you will be joining directly, if you want to attend the demo class one more Friday, anyway, I'm scheduling because many new people will be there, or so many questions are coming in this batch. So I don't want to get you in a 50-50 mind. I'll make sure that your mind will be 100% and you will get.
Sir, what are configuration we need in laptop, sir?
Laptop basic only 2 GB RAM, 3 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM will work. Okay. Okay, guys. So same question iPhone is asking again and again. I can't repeat all these things. I told you 15 years of package, 15 years of experience, you will get 24 or 25 lakhs of package. Will show as a 7 to 8 years of ETL testing experience. You will get 24 to 25 lakhs of package initially. Okay, guys. Okay. Hello, sir. How to join your regular classes? Ping me. If you are not added to the group, just ping me. And this is my WhatsApp number. Let me show you. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. This is my WhatsApp number. Let me ping you in a chat box. Okay. Ping me if you are not added to the WhatsApp group. I'll add you to the WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's disclose like 1.5 hour continuously talking. Okay. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Be in contact.
Thank
Whoever
you,
is
sir.
not
Thank you,
added
thank
to
you.
the group, let me know.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay.
Bye,
Thank you, sir.
everyone. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you all.